Vrushali and you are watching Vrushala's Classes YouTube channel. All of you know that we are making this special series of mathematics for students of standard 10. First chapter, that is Arithmetic Progression, is going on. First exercise and second exercise is already done. You can check the link given below. Now in this video, we are going to continue exercise 1.3. Already Roman number 1 and Roman number 2 of exercise 1.3 is also done. Now here we are going to continue Roman number 3. There are 10 sums in Roman number 3 and out of that 5 we are going to solve in this video. So let's start the Roman number 3 of exercise 1.3 of AP. But before I start this sum, I would like to request all of you to subscribe our channel. Yes, please do subscribe so that you will get the regular updates of whatever videos we upload on our YouTube channel. And please do share this video among the maximum students of standard 10. Now, first sum of Roman number 3. Here, A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50, and here we have to find N and Sn. First term is 5, common difference is 3, nth term is 50, we have to find the number of terms and sum of those n number of terms. So first let us use our simple formula of An. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term, it's 50, is equal to, first term is 5 plus n minus 1 into 3. Let us shift this 5 on LHS. Minus 5 is n minus 1 into 3. 50 minus 5 is 45, n minus 1 into 3. So here n minus 1 is 45 upon 3, that is 15. So n is equal to 15 plus 1, that is 16. So number of terms is 16 here. Now we know the number of terms, so let's find the sum of 16 terms. Now here we know first term, okay, we know first term and we also know last term. So we will use this simple formula of Sn. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into the bracket A plus n. How many terms are there? 16 terms. Here n is 16, 16 upon 2 into the bracket. First term is 5 and last term is 50. 2 ones are 2 eights are. 8 into 5 plus 50 is 55. 8 fives are 40, 8 fives are 40 plus 4, 44. So here in the sum, number of terms is 16 and Sn is 440. So this completes our first sum. It's very easy. I once again repeat that in this chapter AP, we have only 3 simple formulas. First one is for nth term, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Next one is for Sn, sum of the n terms, that is n upon 2 into the bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. And if we know the last term, we can use the simple formula of Sn, that is n upon 2 into the bracket A plus n. That's it. All the sums, whatever sums we have in this AP chapter are based only on these formulas. So now let's move to our next sum. Second sum, here A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35. Here we have to find D and S13. We have to find common difference and sum of 13 terms. Okay, now A13 means what? Number of terms is 13. We know that n is equal to 13. Let's use our An formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A13 is 35, A is 7, plus 13 minus 1 into D. 7 we will shift it to LHS. 35 minus 7 is 13 minus 1 is 12, 12D. 35 minus 7 is 28 is equal to 12D. So D is equal to 28 upon 12. 28 upon 12. 4 7s are 4 3s are. Common difference is 7 upon 3. Common difference can be anything, any rational number, okay? Common difference is 7 upon 3. Now, what we have to find? Sum of 13 terms. Now, here we know first term, we know last term, we know number of terms. So, again we will use our simple formula of Sn, that is n upon 2 into the bracket a plus l. So, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into the bracket a plus l. N is 13. 13 upon 2 into the bracket a is 7 and L is 35. 13 upon 2 into the bracket 7 plus 35. 7 plus 35 is 42. 2 ones are 2, 21s are. So 13 into 21. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26 plus 1, 27. So here D is 7 upon 3 and S13 is 273. Here we complete our second sum. Even this was very easy. So now let's move to the third sum. Third sum, let's see what is given here. Here we have A12. A12 is 37. D. Common difference is 3. And from this we have to find A, first term and sum of these 12 terms. A12. A12 means number of terms is 12. This means n is 12. So let us use our an formula to find A. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into D. An, that is A12 is 37. A we have to find. N is 12 minus 1 into D. D is 3. 37 is equal to A plus 12 minus 1 is 11. 11 into 3 is 33. So A is 37 minus 33, that is 4. First term is 4 here. Now what we have to find? S12. We know first term, we know last term, we know number of terms. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into the bracket a plus l. Here we have to find S12. So 12 upon 2 into the bracket a, what is our a? 4. And last term 37. 2 ones are 2 6 are. 6 into 4 plus 37. 41. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. S12 is 246. First term is 4. S12 is 246. So here we complete our one more easy sum, that is third sum. Now let's move to our fourth sum. Fourth sum of this third Roman number. Let's see what are the things given here. Here A3, okay, A3 is 15. Then S10 is 125. Okay, and from this we have to find D, and A10. Okay, no problem. We will solve this. Now A3. What is our AN formula? It's A plus n minus 1 into D. So here A3 is A plus 3 minus 1. That is 2D. And what is this A3? It's 15. 15 is equal to A plus 2D. So from this what we get? That this A is equal to 15 minus 2D. Okay. A is equal to 15 minus 2D. We will keep this as it is right now. Now let's use this Sn formula. Sn is equal to n upon 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here what we know? We know that n, okay, number of terms is equal to 10. Let's write here 10 upon 2. 2 into a. Now from this solving we have a is equal to 15 minus 2d. So this value we are going to substitute here. 15 minus 2d. So this is not direct sum. We can say this is little bit indirect sum, but based on the same formula, same an formula we are using, but little bit in the other way. A is equal to 15 minus 2d plus here n is 10, 10 minus 1 into d. Fine. Here 2 ones are, 2 5s are. We have this value, that is 125. Let's substitute. 125 is equal to 5 into. Let's multiply this. Okay. Let's multiply this 2 with this bracket. 15 into 2 is 30. 2 into minus 2d is minus 4d. And here 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 into d is 9d plus 9d. Fine. This 5 we will take below this 125. 125 upon 5, okay, is equal to, here we have 30 minus 4d plus 90. Minus 4d plus 90 is plus 5d. 5 ones are, 5 twos are, 5s are. So we have here 25 is equal to 30 plus 5d. 25 minus 30 is equal to 5d. So here 25 minus 30 is minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 5d. So d is minus 5 upon 5. It's minus 1. So here value of d is minus 1. Now what we have to find? A10. Okay, but to find A10, what we want? We should know the value of A. So what is A here? A is 15 minus 2D. Okay, 15 minus 2 into minus 1. That is 15 plus 2, 17. Now we know A, we know D. Let us find A10. AN is A plus n minus 1 into d. So A10 is equal to 17 plus 10 minus 1 into minus 1, because our d is minus 1. 17, 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is 8. So here our 10th term is 8. D is minus 1 and A10 is 8. This was little bit different sum, but not at all difficult. We can say little bit different, little bit lengthy, but based on the same formulas. Whatever formulas we have in this chapter, all the sums are based on the same formula. Now let's move to the fifth sum. Fifth sum, here D. Okay, D is equal to 5. Then they have given S9. S9 is equal to 75 and we have to find here A and A9. Okay, we'll find A and A9. Number of terms, here it is 9. Let us use our SN formula. N upon 2 into the bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. S9, it's 75. Okay, 75 is 9 upon 2. Number of terms is 9. 9 upon 2 into the bracket 2. A we don't know, so A we will keep as it is, plus 9 minus 1 into D, that is 5. Now here, okay, after this 2 which is in the denominator's place, we will just shift it here. So what we get here? 75 into 2, 5. Then here we have 9 into the bracket 2A plus 9 minus 1, 8. 8 into 5 is 40. Okay. 75 into 2 is 150. Here we will multiply this. 9 2s are 18. 18A plus 9 4s are 36. 360. Let us shift this 360 on LHS. 150 minus 360 is equal to 18A. 150 minus 360. It's minus 210. Minus 210 is 18A. So what is going to be our A here? A is minus 210 upon 18. Let's see whether we can cancel this or no. Here 6 3s are 18, 5s are 35 upon 3. We have here one minus sign. So A is minus 35 upon 3. Fine. Now what we have to find? A9. AN is A plus N minus 1 into D. Our A is minus 35 upon 3 plus 9 minus 1 into D is 5. Minus 35 upon 3 plus 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 5s are 40. LCM is 3. Minus 35 plus 120. 3 into 40 is 120. Minus 35 plus 120. So here we have 85 upon 3. So nth term is 85 upon 3. So what is the answer here? First A is minus 35 upon 3 and A9 is 85 upon 3. So this is the answer of our fifth sum. In this exercise 1.3, especially this Roman number 3, we have 10 sums here. This 10 sums gives you the complete practice of how to use these formulas. Still in the next 5 sums, we are going to come across some different type of sum. Yes, how to find N, how to find A, how to find D. We are going to come across some interesting sum here in the next 5 sums. So this next 5 sums will be continued in the next video. So for that, be in touch. Subscribe our channel so that you will get updates of the videos which we upload here. And share this video among your friends. So my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.